It is possible to get documents notarized in Thailand, but the process is somewhat different compared to most countries. It's important to note that since Thailand is not a party to the Hague Convention on Legalization of Foreign Public Documents, there are no notaries public in Thailand. However, similar functions are carried out by Thai Notarial Service Attorneys, also known as NSAs, who can notarize your important documents for official use. Hi, my name is Bridie and I'm the head of Siam Legal's corporate and commercial team. In today's video, we'll be discussing notary services in Thailand and how Siam Legal can notarize your documents quickly and accurately. We have notaries at all three of our offices, conveniently located in downtown Bangkok, Chiang Mai and Phuket. Now, let's learn more about notaries in Thailand. While similar, NSAs are not exactly the same as notaries public in other countries. NSAs must be certified like notaries public, and they can notarize your important documents so that you can submit them for official purposes. Most organizations will accept documents certified by an NSA. However, there is no guarantee. Because the requirements of different countries and institutions differ, it is imperative that you check with the authority requesting the notarized document to ensure that they will accept notarization by a Thai Notarial Services Attorney. Be sure to do this before scheduling any appointment or making payments so you don't waste your time and money. Now let's look at what NSAs can do for you. In Thailand, NSAs can carry out two main types of notarization. The first is notarizing a person's signature on certain classes of documents, including statutory declarations, loan agreements, affidavits, and letters. The notarization proves that you are in fact the person who signed the document and the signature is valid and genuine. To do this, you must appear in person at either our Bangkok, Chiang Mai, or Phuket office with your original valid passport and sign the document in the presence of our Notarial Services Attorney. However, this does not in itself prove that the document is genuine or that the content is correct, only that the signature is real and that you are the person who signed it. The second service that NSAs can provide is the certification of true copies of certain classes of documents, such as original valid passports and ID cards. Basically, the NSA will take the original passport or ID card, photocopy it, and certify that it is in fact a copy of the original. For other types of documents, NSAs can typically only certify true copies of documents that have originated from an institution in Thailand, such as original bank statements issued by a Thai bank. For foreign documents, normally these will need to be certified by a lawyer of the issuing country or at the relevant embassy. It is important to note that notarization and legalization are completely different processes. While notarization refers to the services carried out by NSAs that we have just talked about, legalization is the process by which a document is authenticated for international use. Legalization is usually done at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Importantly, Thailand is not a party to the Apostle Convention either, so if you need to authenticate a document that originated outside of Thailand or a document from Thailand that will be used in another country, you may also need to have it legalized by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Alternatively, you may need certification from an embassy instead or a combination of the two. Again, it is vital that you check with the requesting authority what their exact requirements are for the relevant document before proceeding with an appointment or paying any fees. If you require assistance with the translation and legalization of documents for international use, contact Siam Legal and we can provide guidance on this topic as well. Getting your document notarized in Thailand is easy with Siam Legal. We've been in operation for over 20 years and our experienced and certified notarial services attorneys can notarize your documents quickly and accurately. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Ensure that you have the correct instructions from the requesting authority about the notary service you require. Inquire to the organization you will be submitting this document to and ask if certification from an NSA is acceptable. Step 2. Send Siam Legal a high-quality picture or scan of the document by email for our attorney's initial review. We'll provide guidance on whether notarization is possible before you come in to make sure that your time isn't wasted. Step 3. Once we have reviewed the document and you have confirmed that notarization by an NSA will be accepted by the requesting authority, make an appointment at our Bangkok, Chiang Mai or Phuket office, whichever is most convenient for you. Step 4. Attend the appointment in person with your original valid passport and original documents for notarization. Usually, our notary services can be completed in just an hour or so. At Siam Legal, we pride ourselves on our long track record of success and exceptional customer service. We are a full-service law firm and visa consultancy, so please let our attorneys know if there are any other legal tasks you require assistance with. Notarizing documents is a critical requirement for many official purposes such as visa applications or marriage registrations. However, it is important to understand how notary services work in Thailand so that you don't accidentally pay for a service that won't help you, or worse, submit an incorrectly certified document. Remember to check the document requirements thoroughly and send a high-quality picture or scan of the document to Siam Legal's attorneys so we can guide you on whether notarization is possible in your case. If you have any further questions about notary services in Thailand, don't hesitate to contact Siam Legal. For more information, check out the links in the description and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on legal services in Thailand. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.